What's up guys, this is Sean from Seanboxing. I'm back again with another English video. From the comment section, I figured it's like there's a lot of English speaking people out there. Even the Korean sneakerheads were writing their comments in English. So I was like, well, why not just keep doing this and see how the feedback goes. So today I'm not gonna do an unboxing video, but a pros and cons review on a particular pair of shoes I got like 3 months ago. So I've been wearing them a lot, so you can see it's got like shit all over it. So hope you don't mind the disgustingness of these, the conditions of these shoes. The name of these products, Vans Checkerboard Slip-on Mule. So as the name suggests, these products are mule products, meaning they don't have the heel cups at the back of the shoes. So it's almost like slides. You can just put them on and off very easily. No shoelaces. So like I said, I got these 3 months ago. I paid 59,000 Korean won, which is about like $55 US. Bought these from JD Sports, Gangnam store. 3 months ago, it wasn't that hot, so it was before the summer. But last year's summer, man, it was freaking hot. It was hell, it was choking. Like you could not walk outside for like a minute without starting to like shower in your sweat. So I got these early because I knew they were gonna run out pretty quick, and they actually did run out pretty quick. I heard that last week and this week they started restocking these in a lot of the different retailers. So I don't know if you guys are still looking for that summer season product, because summer this year kind of kicked in slowly relatively to like the previous years. So if you're still trying to find something nice, I hope you find this review video useful. So just check it out. So I feel like these shoes are pretty easier to do the pros and cons reviews on, because they're pretty clear, pros and cons wise. I'm pretty confident that a lot of people watching this would agree with me. But I mean, obviously, if you think otherwise, then please leave that comment so we all know. The first one of the 3 pros I got, the checkerboard has been the iconic colorway for Vans, and you've seen, the checkerboard slip-on that's been around like forever. It's just got that iconic look to it. It's just the brand identity part that's just so valuable and it's just priceless. So this isn't some color trend that's gonna go away that easily. I would give a lot of credit for the style part of this. One of my good friends actually got this for himself and for his son, who's like 2 years old. I have to post that picture, it's just so cute. It's just lovely to see father and son wearing the same shoes, just different sizes. So that's great too, You can put these on adults and also like kids, and they'll just look great. So that's also another piece of credit I would give for his style. And then the second pro I would say is the price point, being 59,000 Korean won or $55 US. For a summer season product, it may not be the cheapest option you can get, but for some product, a tweaked version of a popular franchise that's only the same price, like $55, I wouldn't say it's necessarily that expensive at all. And then the third pro, which I probably would give the most point for, is the easiness of putting these on. Obviously the slip-on part of it, you can just put it on, no laces needed. Just put it on and put it off as you need. You could probably match any kind of pants, shorts. You can just put these on and you'll look great. You don't really have to worry about the color, matching your other garments. I guess this kind of ties with the first pro, but it just looks great on whatever you wear. So I would give a lot of credit for that part, easiness to wear. And moving on to cons, first and foremost, I hate this banding so much. It's like the elastic part of this. It's got like this rough texture inside. I got like blister. I'm not gonna post a picture of it because it's disgusting. But for like the first 3 days, I've been just wearing them without my socks on, and I got that blister and just stopped wearing it for about a week. And then the blister was gone, put them back on. It was fine from then, but I had to, there was that, what do you call it? Like a breaking point that I had to kind of get used to these shoes before I could comfortably wear them. And then the second part is how uncomfortable these shoes are. I mean, obviously these are not made for performance or anything, but if you are going on like long walks, or I don't know, if you're gonna go shopping or anything, or like a music festival, I definitely don't recommend these, because these are not good to be walking in for a long time. Don't even think about running, because you're gonna be feeling pretty uncomfortable and you're gonna get the blister again. But these kind of come off your feet pretty easily, which I guess is what they're made for. with the heel being gone. But you know, you have to be mindful of that. And then the third part is how it's closed toe, meaning if you keep wearing these without your socks on, you have to get ready for that smell. I mean, these, I usually wear them with my fake socks on, so they don't really smell, or they don't smell at all. They just smell like rubber, I'm being honest. But I know a few of my friends who bought these and just been wearing without their socks on are already experiencing some terrible, what do you call it, BO issue. Oh, it's just disgusting. But yeah, once that kicks in, when you get up in the morning and try to find the shoes that you want to wear for the day, you kind of get to like stay away from these because they smell and you don't want your feet to smell. If you do sweat a lot on your toes, definitely wear your fake socks, or I don't know, socks are pretty good too, I guess, for protection purpose, but don't get your feet smelly. Just be careful when you wear these for a long time. So that's it for pros and cons review for Vans Checkerboard Slip-on Mule product. And for my next video, I'm still debating, but there's a huge boycott movement in Korea that's happening against anything Japanese, pretty much. Not buying, not selling any Japanese goods, and not traveling to Japan. But you know, I'm interested in footwear, so I know a thing or two about, you know, Japanese retailers, especially footwear retailer in South Korea, namely abcmart, but I'm not really sure how much interest you guys might have. So leave a comment below if you want to hear more about it. I mean, I probably have some story to tell, but I'll have to do my research. But just want to know how many people would be interested in knowing about it. So let me know.